Nissan has been quite newsworthy today, but there's been one little tease that's got us really excited. Hello everyone and welcome to HotCars, where we're talking about the hottest news across the automotive landscape. And this week, Nissan has unveiled two very important models, the 2022 Pathfinder and 2022 Frontier. Nissan has been lagging behind the rest of the competition for honestly quite a few years, and with the introduction of the all-new Rogue and the all-new Pathfinder and the all-new Frontier, we're getting this look ahead of what Nissan is going to become under their new alliance with Mitsubishi and Renault. All of that stuff is terribly exciting, and I really do hope that Nissan is able to get up to a very competitive landscape with their newest vehicles, and I'll be able to try them out at some point in the future. But the reason why we're discussing all of this today is that in the background of the reveal of this Frontier and this Pathfinder was a little bit of a tease towards the next Z car, the 400z. Now, we've already seen this Z Proto kind of concept car before, and this bright acid yellow, lime green, whatever you want to call it. But in the background of this event, there was a grey model. So was this a little bit of a tease of what the production model is, or is it simply them showing off a different color of a concept car? At this point in time, we don't know, but it's nice to know there's at least two of these vehicles in the world, meaning that maybe production is more close around the corner than what we originally anticipated. Anyways, the new 400z, we're all looking forward to it. We need more affordable performance cars on sale. We really don't have that much left under the $50,000 mark. So if the 400z can live in that space, we all hope it's going to be a very competitive and very attractive vehicle. So there you go. That's been the news in the car world today. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all of those other wonderful things that really help us out a lot. Thanks. Hope to see you again soon.